Hello, everyone. So yeah, welcome to this very exciting presentation. Actually, I've been looking at conductive inks for a long, long time, and people have always been saying that you can't use copper pastes on silicon solar cells. And so here we'll hear, today we'll hear from Jan Lossen from ISC Konstanz, and he's going to show us how one can screen print copper pastes for high efficient back contact silicon solar cells. So yeah, as usual, the talk is about 20 minutes. Jan, 2 minutes before the end of your presentation, I will pop my head back in just to give you a kind of a notice that you have 2 minutes, and also to remind the audience to ask questions. So yeah, please, the stage is yours.
Okay, thank you, Kasha. Good morning, good evening, everybody. Welcome to our talk. This is actually a work between ISC in Konstanz and the company Corprint from Israel. First, I would like to introduce the ISC Konstanz, which is probably not known to everybody. So ISC stands for International Solar Energy Research Center Konstanz. We are an independent non-profit association founded in 2005. We have a turnover of around 6 million per year and 60 employees from 20 different nations working at our institute. So we conduct research, development, and technology transfer with focus on crystalline silicon solar cells, on PV modules, and on energy systems, also including hydrogen and batteries. And we feature a lab which is fully equipped with a pilot line for solar cells and also solar module production. We have clean room, printing lab, laser lab, stringer laminator, and also UV and climate chamber testing facilities. Our mission is to promote solar energy and a sunny future. And I think we and also others did a pretty good job in the last decade. The photovoltaic market is growing rapidly. This has several reasons. On the first reason, I think is very important. The costs of PV are decreasing continuously. On the right hand, you see a curve which is known as learning curve or learning rate. And it shows a module price on logarithmic scale plotted against cumulative production of the product. And you can see that over a long range, here are drawn 40 years, a constant decrease of costs is achieved with a learning rate of about 25%, which means every time doubling the capacity or the installed capacity, the price declines by 25% over the last 40 years. So now in most markets, PV and wind represent the cheapest available source for new electricity generation, according to the EAR reports. This is also they also understood it. Meanwhile, on the other hand, we have also a urgent need. We know from the IPCC report that there is a rapidly closing window of opportunity for climate action. So urgently, it's needed to decarbonize our energy production. And with these two things in mind, I think even reluctant actors meanwhile recognize the potential of renewable energies. As an example, from the speech of Christian Lindner, a liberal politician in Germany last year on the war in Ukraine, he said renewable energies are energies of freedom.